Hi everyone, this video is for another remote job opportunity that is a full-time role, and here the job role is client service executive and the company's name is Pangolin. So Pangolin is hiring for it's a client service executive role, and this is a remote opportunity that you can do from home or anywhere, and no matter what is your current location you can apply for the job. Now let's check out about the company. And here it is written that Pangolin Marketing is a tech for good B2B SaaS agency, and it is seeking a dedicated and detail-oriented client servicing executive to join their key account management team. The ideal candidate will have a strong background in client relationship management, excellent communication skills, and the ability to coordinate effectively with internal teams. This role is essential for ensuring client satisfaction, growing client relationships, and delivery scope and fostering long-term partnerships. For this role, the company is not asking for much of the experience. So they are mainly asking for 0 to 2 years of experience in client servicing, preferably in B2B marketing or advertising agency. So if you are a fresher or you have some sort of experience in client executive role, you can still go ahead and apply for the job to see if you can get the job. Now, here are some of the skills or qualifications that the company is looking for in their candidates. So here you should have strong interpersonal and communication skills. You should have understanding of marketing and brand management. You should be proficient in project management tools and software. You should be able to analyze client needs and provide tailored solutions. And here are some of the strategic skills that includes strategic thinking and problem-solving abilities. You should have understanding of marketing principles and B2B dynamics. You should have ability to identify growth opportunities for clients. And in collaborative skills, you should have proven ability to work effectively in a team environment. And you should have a strong negotiation and conflict resolution skills. You should be flexible and adaptable in a dynamic work environment. And here are some of the requirements that the company is looking for. So the company is looking for candidates who have degree in marketing, business, or a related field. So if you have done your MBAs, you could be a good fit for this position. The candidate should have 0 to 2 years of experience in client servicing, preferably in a B2B marketing or advertising agency. The candidate should have demonstrated ability to manage multiple clients and projects simultaneously. The candidate should have commitment to providing exceptional client service and achieving high client satisfaction levels. And if you are passionate about client relationship management and want to be a part of forward-thinking B2B marketing agency, so this could be a good role for you. Now let's check out about the roles and responsibilities that in client servicing role. So here they have written that a day in the life of a client servicing executive. So this is a remote job opportunity, and as a client servicing executive at Pangolin Marketing, your day will be dynamic and client focused, involving collaboration, strategic thinking, and proactive problem solving. And here they have written about your typical day. And if you join as a client servicing executive, your morning routine should be like start the day by checking emails, attending a team stand-up meeting, and setting daily priorities and client meetings. And then you can schedule and attend meetings with clients to discuss ongoing projects, gather feedback, and understand their needs. Then project coordination, so liaise with internal teams like creative strategy and content team to ensure timely delivery of projects. And problem resolution, address any client concerns or issues promptly and effectively, so this is required. And status updates, so you need to provide regular updates to clients on project progress and performance metrics. And reporting, so as a client service executive, you need to prepare and deliver reports on project outcomes, client satisfaction, and areas of improvement and continuous improvements. So as a client service executive, you need to identify opportunities for enhancing client services, scope of growth, and processes. Now here are some of the responsibilities that you can expect while working as a client service executive at Pangolin Marketing. So here it is written that project marketing, where you need to oversee the execution of client projects, ensuring they meet client expectations and deadlines. Communications, so you need to ensure clear, effective communication between clients and internal teams. Feedback management, so you will be required to collect and analyze client feedback to improve service delivery. Account growth, so here you need to identify opportunities to expand services and increase account value. Documentation, so here you will be required to maintain accurate records of client interactions, maintaining MOMs, project details, and feedback. This was all about the job role. This is a remote opportunity for client servicing role, and this is a full-time role. So I think this could be a good opportunity for people who are looking for full-time remote opportunity to work from home or anywhere. And so go ahead, and if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, go ahead and apply for the position. Now here's the application button, and here it is written that Pangolin IQ assessment for key account executives. So if you are interested, you first need to give an IQ assessment. So here it is written that thanks for your interest in working with us. We are excited to get to know you a little better through this form. This form is divided into two parts: personal information and IQ assessment. And if you start, this is a 40 minutes assessment test. So yeah, if you're interested, go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.